In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website on Cloudflare in 2025. Whether you're managing a personal blog or running a business website, Cloudflare offers an array of tools for fast and secure web experiences. Let's dive right in and go through these steps so you can get your site up and running in no time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudflare website. It's your hub for connecting, protecting, and building your online presence with Cloudflare's tools. Cloudflare is renowned for enhancing website performance and security, making it a top choice for many developers and website owners around the world. Once you've reached the Cloudflare homepage, you'll see a prompt to log in at the top right corner. Click on Log In. If you're new to Cloudflare, you'll need to create an account first. The process is quite straightforward. All you need is an email address and a password, and then you'll verify through your email. For those who already have an account, just enter your credentials to proceed. After entering your account, you'll land on the Cloudflare account homepage. This is your personal dashboard where you can manage all your domains, settings, and even performance metrics of your websites. From here, find and click on Account Home. This will guide you to a more focused view of your domain management section. Now, it's time to add your website. Click on Domains. This drop-down list will show all the domains currently associated with your Cloudflare account. If this is your first time, the list will obviously be empty. Here's where the magic happens. You can seamlessly manage DNS settings, web traffic, and much more. So once you've clicked on Domains, you'll next select or register a new domain. If you already have a domain, you can add it by entering your domain name. However, if you need a new domain, the same section allows for new domain registration. Select Register Domain, which takes you to the registration section. Here you can search for your desired domain name availability, choose from various extensions, and proceed to purchase. Cloudflare streamlines this process by making registration and setup intuitive and quick. Once you have your domain, whether newly registered or pre-owned, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Upon successful addition, you may need to update your DNS records to Cloudflare's name servers. This is a common step when integrating a domain with their services. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your website to Cloudflare, setting the stage for increased security and improved performance. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and remember to explore the powerful features that Cloudflare offers. Happy building, and see you next time.